OpenAI just unveiled Prism, and compared to many top-tier model releases, this one didn't drop with a press release and a keynote, it dropped by solving a real pain point. That's important because in AI products, the launch that changes a workflow often matters more than a flashy benchmark. Today, we're going to break down why Prism matters, what it actually does, and how it signals OpenAI's strategy for the next phase of AI adoption. On January 27, 2026, OpenAI launched Prism, a LaTeX-native AI-augmented scientific workspace powered by GPT 5.2. It's a cloud app where researchers can draft and revise scientific papers, collaborate in real time, manage citations, equations, and figures, use deep AI reasoning inside the document, not beside it. Instead of AI being a separate chat window, GPT 5.2 lives inside the workspace and sees the full context of the research project: text, equations, citations, figures, everything. That changes how AI can assist actual scientific workflows at scale. This isn't about autocomplete, it's about contextual intelligence anchored to a long, structured document. That's a different class of product. OpenAI is offering Prism at no cost to anyone with a ChatGPT personal account, with unlimited projects, collaborators, and cloud collaboration. That matters because it lowers barriers for researchers worldwide: students, postdocs, professors, independent scholars. Later, it will expand to ChatGPT business, enterprise, and education users, but the free access right at launch is strategic. It rapidly grows the user base and gets Prism into actual research workflows. What exactly Prism is: a workspace, not a chatbot. Instead of treating AI as an adjunct the way most writer tools do, chatbots on the side, Prism places AI where the work is, within the document, with awareness of the entire project structure, with equations, references, and figures in scope, with LaTeX built in natively. This means you can ask Prism things like, "Is figure 3 consistent with the conclusions in section 4?" And the model can respond with actual context, not guess based on snippets. That's only possible if the model has access to the whole document structure and semantic graph, not just the last prompt. LaTeX is the de facto standard for technical publications across physics, math, engineering, computer science, and more, but it's famously clunky without expert tools. Most scientists draft in one editor, compile in another, manage citations separately, track versions with Git, email, or shared drives. Prism folds all of this into one environment. It compiles, previews, formats, and edits, and the AI can suggest LaTeX corrections, convert diagrams or handwritten formulas into LaTeX, refactor structure. That's a new reality compared to bouncing between Overleaf, Zotero, PDF viewers, and ChatGPT. Prism reduces fragmentation, one of the biggest daily frustrations in research workflows. One of the biggest shifts here is that the model doesn't just generate disconnected responses. It's aware of the whole document structure, its equations, citations, and figures. GPT 5.2 in Prism can reason about math in context, test hypotheses conceptually, check arguments against data, cite relevant literature. That's a reasoning workspace, not just an assistant. It's applied intelligence bound to real artifacts. Prism also supports real-time collaboration. Multiple researchers can edit simultaneously with changes syncing instantly, and the AI keeps up with the evolving document. That turns Prism into a team workspace, not a solo editor. Unlimited collaborators and projects mean labs can work together without worrying about seat licenses or version conflicts, a sharp contrast with many current scientific tools. Prism didn't spring out of thin air. It's built on Crixit, a cloud LaTeX platform OpenAI acquired and evolved into this new product. That foundation provided collaborative LaTeX editing, real-time preview, existing cloud infrastructure, which OpenAI then infused with GPT 5.2 reasoning and workflow AI to create something much bigger than a simple editor. This isn't just a vertical tool for scientists, it's a strategic move in a bigger game. 1. AI for vertical professional workflows. After accelerating software development workflows in 2025, Prism is AI for science workflows in 2026. OpenAI is positioning AI not as conversation or code generation, but as work product generation inside domain-specific workflows. 2. Competing with specialist tools. Prism takes on tools like Overleaf, reference managers, and even separate LaTeX environments by collapsing them into one platform with native AI. The integration is the competitive edge. 3. Building lock-in through workspace adoption. Once a lab's papers, citations, and workflows live in Prism, that's real data and real productivity, not just prompts and chat transcripts. Deep adoption locks users in. Free access accelerates this capture. 4. Deepening GPT 5.2 footprint. GPT 5.2 isn't just a chatbot model anymore. Inside Prism, it's a reasoning engine coupled with workflow logic.
That pushes OpenAI beyond generative text into applied intelligence systems. People on social forums have already flagged some concerns. Some users are curious whether Prism will eventually include version control or history similar to Git or Overleaf. At launch, that's unclear. Community posts suggest it's not built in yet. Some are comparing Prism with traditional LaTeX tools and debating whether it's truly a replacement or just a new workflow. These discussions are important. Adoption won't hinge on features alone, but on whether research teams trust Prism with IP, collaboration, and rigorous scientific standards. In 2025, AI enabled software engineering. In 2026, Prism suggests AI is about to transform scientific discovery infrastructure itself. If you found this breakdown insightful, drop your thoughts below. Did Prism just break academic workflows, or is this the first step towards AI-integrated research labs? Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for deeper dives into how AI is reshaping not just tools, but entire professions.